In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Kernelbase.dll Missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check our system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. And then simply take note of your system type and then open a browser and search for the missing DLL kernelbase.dll download and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type. Wait for that to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right-click, select copy, then go to this PC on the left pane, double-click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, here it is, double-click, right-click and then select paste, click on replace the file in the destination. After doing so, close all the windows, then right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart, then open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the link corresponding to your system type and install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Then click on the Start button and go to Settings for the next method. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows 11. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.